In this video, we are continuing with the section formula. Now this time, he's given us the question, the center of a circle is C minus 2 and 3. So he's given us the coordinates of the center of the circle. This is C, alright, and the coordinates are minus 2 and 3. And one end point of a diameter PQ is 2 and 4. Okay, we have a diameter PQ, right? Obviously it will pass through the center of the circle. So one end point P is 2 and 4, 2 and minus 4. Okay, and he wants us to find the coordinates of another end point of this diameter. So we don't have those, so we will write that as x2 and y2. y2. This is x1 and y1, and we will name this as x and y. Now again here we know that C is the midpoint of the line segment PQ, this diameter, because C lies at the center of the diameter. So the ratio is 1:1. So we can directly calculate this by the midpoint formula. So how do we apply the midpoint formula? We say that x, which is this point, x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. So x is given minus 2 equal to, what is my x1? This is always my x1. So x1 is 2 plus, what is my x2? I don't know that I have to calculate, divided by 2. Let me cross multiply. This will become minus 4 equal to 2 plus x2. If I shift this side, this will become 4 minus 2 equal to x2. So minus 6 is equal to x2, right? Let's now calculate the y coordinate. Now we know that y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is my y? Y is given 3. What is my y1? It is minus 4. Plus y2. y2 is not given, it is y2 only. Divided by 2. Cross multiply. 6 equal to minus 4 plus y2. If I shift this to this side, this will become 6 plus 4 equal to y2. So I have calculated y2 as 10. So now what are the coordinates of the other end of this diameter Q? x2, y2. x2 is minus 6 and y2 is 10. Right? Okay. Another sum. He's saying that the point P, whose coordinates are minus 4 and 1, divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 3:5. Find the coordinates of point P. Almost the similar sum, but this time, okay, let me write first and then I'll explain. This is A is 2 and minus 2. Point B is not given, so this is my x1, y1. This will be my x2, y2. Always we have to remember it in that format. And there is a point P which divides this in the ratio 3:5. Now this time P is not the midpoint of line segment AB. It's dividing it in the ratio 3:5. What does that mean? My m is to n is equal to 3:5. Now he wants us to calculate the coordinates of point B, right? Now what is this point P? This is x and this is y, right? This is how I have to remember them. P will always be xy, A will always be x1, y1, B will always be x2, y2. Now let me apply the section formula. Section formula says that this x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, right? Now x I have, how much is that? Minus 4. M also I have 3. x2 I don't have, I have to calculate that. Plus n is 5. What is my x1? x1 is 2. Divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Cross multiply, minus 32 equal to 3x2 plus 5 2s are, this is 10. Okay. Now if I shift this to this side, this will become minus 10 minus 32 equal to 3x2. So minus 42 equal to 3x2. So x2 is equal to minus 42 divided by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 fours are. So my x2 is minus 14. I got the value of this point as minus 14. In the similar manner, I will write the y coordinate here. What is y coordinate? my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Y is given to me, that is 1. M I have as 3. Y2 I don't have. N I have 5. Y1 I have minus 2. Divided by m plus n, which is 3 plus 5, and that is 8. Cross multiplied, I got 8 equal to 3y2 minus 10. So 8 minus this 10 will go to this side. It will become plus equal to 3y2. 18 equal to 3y2. So my y2 is equal to 18 by 3, which is 6. So I got the coordinates of B as x2, y2. x2 is minus 14 and y2 is 6.